Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. On tonight's menu, corned beef and colcannon. The morning mise en place. The pickling spice goodies. Just after prep. The corned beef mise en place. And the layer of veggies on the bottom of the Dutch oven. Then I add the corned beef and the pickling spice. And then I bring to a boil and simmer for 3 hours. And here's the mise en place for the colcannon. Using a third burner. And here's the finished corned beef. Starting the veggie side of the colcannon. In the butter, I add the green onion and the garlic. And then I add the milk. Then I add the cabbage, and it'll saute for about 8 minutes. The potatoes are ready. And both are going to get married. And here's the finished colcannon. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have fun cooking.